in today's video, I'm gonna guide you that how you can add up to 20 pictures to your Instagram post. So let's start our video. First, open Instagram application, then tap on your profile here. And from here, you need to tap on the plus sign. Here, you need to choose post. Once you choose post, all you need to do is to tap on the select multiple option, and from here now you can select up to 20 pictures or videos. It depends on you. You can select either a picture or a video. So guys, as you can see, I selected 20 pictures. Once you select all the picture, all you need to do is to tap on the next here. It will bring you here. Here are some editing options that you can use it on each and every picture if you want to. Once you're done with the editing, all you need to do is to tap on next. So guys, from this page, you can add a caption, you can tag people, you can add a location, you can add a music as well to these pictures or videos that you have selected. Once done, just tap on share and these videos or pictures will be shared on your Instagram profile. So guys, this is how you can add up to 20 pictures to your Instagram post. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.